से बहुत बड़ी है प्रैक्टिस. Hey everyone, it's day 31st of Practical Communication Challenge, and today I will be speaking on the most important topic of photography or the cinematography art, the visual arts with painting, and it is useful in these all design, photography, cinematography, and paintings. So, what it that makes an photograph specifically and video appealing to our eyes gives a visual interest. Well, there can be two essential elements if I talk about. One is the most important and basic if you talk about camera, and another is really important in any art which is related to visuals, be it graphic designing, be it photography, be it cinematography, or be it painting. So first we'll talk about the camera. What is that one thing that really matters? So see, the word photograph come is made up of two words: photon and graph. Photo and graph. Photon and graph. So photon is something light particle. We are talking about light, and graph the painting. So the art of painting through light is photography. This art is really important. Photography, as the word suggests, itself is art of light. So light plays a vital role. If your composition is good and light is not good enough, then your shot is useless. Trust me. And with the same composition, if the lighting is good, the photo gonna work. Same as with video. But why do gear matter? Gear matters. We ask often this question. Often ask this question. And to trust me, this thing is like we are asking, do gear matters? We have the same tools. If we shoot or record a video using our phone, mobile phones, or if we shoot or record our videos using camera, of course there's going to be difference of depth of field or the feel. But if the lighting is same and then the results are going to be same on the same position of the camera or an angle. If we talk about second thing that I would say is really important is composition, because each of us every day are photographing, and it is vital in every other visual art. It's applicable for every visual art, which is composition. How we arrange our elements, that is that the meaning of the composition is the arrangements of the elements in your visual art. So be it photography, be it cinematography, or paintings and design. So this really matters a lot. So composition has to be good. If you have good lighting and you don't compose well, well, it's a vice versa, isn't it? But light comes first, because light is creating that picture. And then composition, if you're composing it really nice, arranging the elements in a such way, there is a symmetry, there's a leading lines, and there's a lot more concept we'll be talking about in next videos. But if you do that, this the picture is going to work. And what works in picture, what narratives you want to tell depends on the composition. There can be a single scene where can be different meanings if we take the pictures from different angles, we compose from different point of views. So obviously composition matters, and matters a lot. So in nutshell, we discussed about the importance of light. Good lighting can make anything possible, a key element or key essential element in photography. And second one is composition in key element in any visual art. So focusing on these things and improving this change can literally change the game. Only do these two things, composition and lighting, and are gonna work. And we will be discussing more about the type of light sources, type of light, shadows. And we will be discussing also, because with light comes shadow. Without light there can't be shadows. Just imagine, if there is no light, how can be a shadow? And if there is no light, how can be darkness? Darkness is felt when light is absent. Without one another, one, the other another does not exist or ceases to exist. So in the upcoming videos, we'll be talking more about composition rules and different guidelines and how we are going to break those rules. So stay tuned, keep listening. Clarity, consistency, and awareness, we all win.